Hello, people. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I greet the house. I greet everybody. Welcome back to where we gist all the whole matter. Any fry when they fry, they pass for inside Edo cyberspace. We they carry out the entire year by people. So if you never follow this page, do me a favor by following and also support me by liking the video and share to your loved ones. God bless you. My people, we don't carry another matter come again. The two of them don't scatter social media and God will continue to scatter them. They go. No problem, my people. Let's regard it. Wahala no dey finish, my people. Wahala. Wahala dey o. So some people they dance for Ikea like that. Wahala no dey finish.
How can you imagine a mother who let look out? It's your no say no pure. A hero where una lele sugar daddy.
They say inside nonsense, according to umenwan, inside nonsense. Now there for the peak sense. Umenwan, if they talk, if they carry mouth not the heavy umenwan to take pronounce anything, but inside all those words when umenwan they talk, if you listen well, you will know say most of all these things when umenwan they talk, most of them are truths. Inside nonsense. Sense they inside nonsense. Most things when umenwan they talk, people they vex say because umenwan they call ashi wele. Even myself, I don't like that word. Ashi wele. All women are ashi. All women when don't they do vaga, even though you dey Nigeria, I will say you know they do olosh. All women are she. Now only that thing make me not to the gbadu umenwan. Apart from that, everything umenwan they talk, many sense they inside umenwan video. You know if you just watch umenwan video, say you not pick anything for inside umenwan video, you must pick sense. Then make me sometimes I will vex, I'll say wait till they do this a partner. Why go they talk like that? Cause you go still marry woman tomorrow. You know tell us say na virgin you won't go marry. If you as a woman you not marry as a virgin, we are all ashi. Unless you marry as a virgin. Even though you marry as a virgin, you can't still go they do vaga for inside your husband house. Your husband they do vaga you be ashi. So women as a woman will not get the right to call each other ashi. And secondly, men man not call person ashi. Now only that one. Everything about umenwan sense they decide to pick. The only problem now, ashi wele. Ashi pom. Now only that one be my problem. So people, let's regard it. Una go hear wetin umenwan talk now.
Biome had the sugar daddy, who wrong with sugar daddy, who biocow, who may have a deal already one, no see I, una zigona be bogiva, who may have got deal when you see I, una zigona be bogia, who give you bogia, and about little hang the one satisfied way. Una is one boy, oh, no, Nigeria, a celebrity, the Nigeria, which is being this celebrity. e Jeff Omoruji una kewe po anyanu we ma Jeff Omoruji ka me Jeff Omoruji uro wodo o me wodo we 3 children e get that were wa
imagine.
Can you imagine?
Hey,
my passion piana o uyero wo piana.
Hey,
When I knew him my Jeff una send 400 euros to Jeff in Nigeria una we got 50,000 euros say just 400 euros 400 euros who said again
so women they like that.
Jeff Omoruji una hate have a live video worth 15,000 euros the same video ya more Jeff una wo we destiny blackmail with your naked pictures or blackmail with your naked picture or my time for one am naked picture of destiny one am well at a naked picture of destiny one am well at social media very wise those days and social media I mean who down it would not neck book with them no they will I think we neck book with them kuna go be sinasa yeah frustrated because yeah everybody our yeah can't deal with yeah yes yeah not less than that yeah now get by winner come on very high and born the who know what yeah yes zuo we are watch majority of them some of them are single mothers might be what they are yeah area munokbe okbenama erona magogo the loyalty gage you don't find out the root of your problem
Meanwhile, something when I want to talk for this place where you talk so say so many women when they come abroad, not be all women they come abroad go swear, not be all women madam carry come say come give me billions, you must do olosho before you go give me millions. Most men for this abroad they not ready for life. Most men if you not give them money you not be their woman until you cut money give them. You see most women when they their husband house today if they tell you sacrifice when they don't do for that man to stay with them, which is not like that for Africa. For Africa, if you man won't marry you, man will take care of your woman when won't marry. If you don't marry you go take care of the woman for house. But for Europe here, women man go marry woman. Imagine. Thank God say you even still dey hear some many stories which you still dey talk on Facebook here on your page. As man go marry woman finish, he go say make go do olosho. What the woman will do? Wetin the woman will do? She go do am because she want to marry. She wan stay with her husband. She no wan make dem count her join single mother. All those women wey smart na say no, I cannot give my money to man. I get family for house. I need to take care of my family. Now they make me come Europe. So I no fit carry my money give man. Now you see say most of these women, they be single mother because they are not ready to give their money to men. You see so many women, even though they know they talk and come out, many women they sacrifice so much to be in their husband house. All their money they will carry, give their husband so that the man go marry them. All those one, most of these women when be say man go give belle finish after all the old promises, the man go run leave them. Now because maybe the woman no carry money give the man, na make am run leave am. Na make am go run leave am, go say abeg I no fit marry. This one wey don do ashi wele now you no wan give me the money. Must I give you money before you marry me? Now so your papa take marry your mama. How much your mama carry give your papa before he marry her? So no talk that was say now because of juju when they swear. Not be all women, not be all girls swear juju before they enter this abroad. Not be all girls swear juju before they enter this abroad. Me I enter, I don't know how they take the, I don't know as they take they swear juju before they will carry person enter Europe. So not be all women they swear juju. And secondly, not be fault of women say men they live there. Most of them not be their fault. Why most of them 10% of women na their fault. Why 90% of some women no be their fault. Some Europe men, they are not ready to be called husbands. They only want to be called father. So Europe men, they are not ready to be called husband. They only want father, responsibility of their children. They only want to be called father because they donate sperm. Now only sperm you give me, you know, no be you, they don't know that so many men for this abroad, African men, they don't know the meaning of father. They don't know the meaning of husband. You see so many women be single mother today. Most of them not be their fault. Nobody come this like say, I want to stay alone. I want to be a single mother. Nobody come like that. So many women come say, okay, after I don't see find money small, may I relax. May I settle down, relax with my husband and my children. But at the end of the day, if the man don't do wetin he want finish, he go run leave the woman. Ask question. Ask question. Most of them not be because of juju when they swear for us or because of their character. Most of them are their character. Why most not be their character? Ask question. If women come they tell you wetin they pass through for man hands, all these Europe men, you go say Jesus. Most women they try. Most women they are ready to become wife, but they don't see the good man when go use them, when go call them wife. Most women wey be single mother today, they be wife material, but they not see husband material. Hey, God. People no dey understand. I don't know whether people understand wetin I dey try to talk so. So let's continue with umenwan video. People, how una think about this video? Make una no fail to drop una comment and also like and share the video. If you never follow, do me a favor by following the page. God bless you all.